Dear children, so happy morning to one and all. The lesson we discussed, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. So in last session we discussed about the synthetic fibers. There are 4 synthetic fibers are there: rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. And we discussed some introduction part of the plastics. What are the characteristics of plastics? What are the characteristics of plastic, children? It is easily moldable to different shapes, and it is reusable, and it is light. Light means lightweight. The density will be less, and it is poor conductor of electricity. So these plastics can be used for the electric purpose, and some are heat resistant. The example for that is Bakelite and Melamine, and it does not react with water and air. It is durable, and it can form wires and sheets. It can have the variety of colors. The plastics can be in the form of variety of colors will be there. So these are all the characteristics of plastics. So the plastics can be classified into 2 major types. So what are that? That is thermoplastics, and another one is thermosetting plastics. The plastics can be classified into 2 types, that is thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. First we will see one by one. Thermoplastics. So thermoplastics are deforms on heating. So when we heat their thermoplastics, the structure will be changed. We can easily deform the shape, size, everything will be reconstructed while heating, and it can be bent easily. We can easily bend the thermoplastics. The example for thermoplastics are polythene and polyvinyl chloride. We can tell it as PVC. First, we will see the polythene. The polythene polymer compound. It is a polymer compound. So these polythene can be prepared with the help of ethene. When we polymerize the ethene compound, we can get the polythene. So these polythene can be used for manufacturing bags, plastic bags. The plastic bags can be manufactured with the help of polythene. It is a polymer compound. And another example is polyvinyl chloride. It is PVC. The polyvinyl chloride. So here, the starting material for polyvinyl chloride is vinyl chloride. The monomer is vinyl chloride. So when we do the polymerization reaction with the help of vinyl chloride, means we can get the polyvinyl chloride. The properties of polyvinyl chlorides are, it is rigid. It is very rigid, and it is flexible. It is very rigid and flexible. So these polyvinyl chloride can be used in plastic tubes, pipes and everything. The tubes and pipes is manufactured with the help of polyvinyl chloride compound. So this is the uses of PVC. With the PVC we can manufacture the plastic tubes and plastic tubes and plastic pipes. So these can be manufactured with the help of polyvinyl chloride. And another example for thermoplastics. So these are all the examples of thermoplastics. With the help of thermoplastics we can prepare comb, polythene bags, water bottle, plastic pen, buckets. So these everything can be manufactured with the help of polythene. And another type is thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting plastics. The thermosetting plastics are, once when we mold the thermosetting plastics, we can't able to deform on heating. Once it will be molded means we can't able to deform with the help of heating also. And so these thermosetting plastics are heat and fire resistant, so that we can use this thermosetting plastics for electrical purpose and for cooking purpose. The major applications are for cooking, and electrical appliances can be manufactured with the help of the thermosetting plastics. The examples of thermosetting plastics are Bakelite and Melamine. So these are the two examples of thermosetting plastics. First we will see one by one. Melamine. So melamine is an organic base and it's having lot of nitrogen. So lot of nitrogen will be there in the melamine thermosetting plastics. So with that help of melamine, we can manufacture the cooking vessels. Can prepare the plates, cup, saucer, spoon. So these cooking vessels can be prepared with the help of melamine. And another example is Bakelite. So these Bakelite is introduced by Belgian chemist. The name is Bakelite. So with that the Bakelite name will be formed. So the Bakelite can be used for the electrical purpose. It can be used in the electrical sockets. Why? Because of it will not conduct the electricity. That is the main reason. And it will resist the heat and fire. This is the main reason. So that's why the Bakelite can be used for electrical appliances, because it will not conduct the electricity and it will resist the heat and fire. So this is the main advantages of thermosetting plastics. Okay children, see you on next session.